Welcome to 3-Minute Retro. Today we're going to talk about the Sinclair QL. It's a machine from Sinclair Research. It was meant to be the saviour for Clive Sinclair, a more serious machine, a dedicated machine, a serious business or hobbyist machine. Unfortunately, the machine was rushed and it never met its true potential. It was eventually launched January 12th, 1984. It was discontinued in April 1986. It sold 150,000 units and its predecessor was the good old ZX Spectrum. There was no successor to this machine. This is a standalone model. The machine uses QDOS. It's a Motorola 68008 spec CPU running at 7.5 megahertz. It has 128K of memory. It has a maximum ceiling of 896K, and its main storage were these two micro drives. Essentially, Sinclair called them wafers, but they were an endless loop of tape, virtually video cassette tape. The keyboard was much improved over the original ZX Spectrum, and it's a nicer keyboard than the Plus model and the Plus 128 model. It has genuinely a good feel to it, and you could actually type on this. It's not as wobbly, not as mushy, and it's quite well put together. The entire machine is very stylized, very well put together. Expansion wise, we have the ROM, the famous ROM cartridge. The original machines were shipped with a ROM which hung out at the back of the machine because the operating system wasn't ready yet, so it was a bit of a kludge. And on board we have two network ports. Only one could be used at once. A power, which is dual voltage. We have RGB out, UHF, serial 1, serial 2, and two control ports 1 and 2. Now, most of the ports on this machine were proprietary apart from the RF and RGB. The RGB could connect to a Sinclair black monitor. The black monitor was a Cub based monitor. On the side we have another expansion port, and on the side we have a port for adding extra microdrives and a reset switch. The machine was ultimately a failure, and it never gained the traction Sinclair hoped it would. The machine itself has become a bit of an icon. It's been an icon for being a failure, but an icon for its design. This has been 3-Minute Retro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.